Good day, Bob here at Weld and Rust, and today we're not dealing with rust, but we are dealing with corrosion and having to do with aluminum rims, and you guys with Fords may recognize this problem, so you might want to stick around and see how we're going to fix it. Anyways, the problem with Ford aluminum rims, well, there could be other brands as well, but this particular one is when I got this truck from my brother, he's had the tires replaced because he had the same problem before, that they would leak. It'd be a slow leak. It'd be an annoying leak. So it took me a while to figure out where the problem was, but using soapy water, we determined that the leak was around the valve stem. And these things have the sensors on the stem itself. So my quick fix was this stuff. And it's green goo. You guys probably recognize it. It's tire sealant. But the important thing is it's TPMS safe. That's kind of important. But what I'm going to do is, because tire shops really don't like it when you put this stuff in, I'm only going to use a couple of ounces. And the idea is to seal around here only. I've already done the back tire, so I know this stuff works. So I'm just going to show you what I basically do for fixing this. So the bottle tells me I can actually fill it with the valve stem in. I don't leave the valve stem in. There's a reason for that. Because I don't know about you, I don't like just sitting here letting air out. So it's easier for you just take the valve stem out. But what I've done, I did this ages ago. Took an old punch, round it down, and I cut a slot in there. And that's a handy dandy little tool for taking air out. Valve stems out. So now we sit and wait. I won't make you wait. Another tip, if you let this jug sit around for more than a few minutes, inside of here, there's only two little holes. They plug up real quick just from sitting around because this stuff hardens, right? So make sure you do clean it out before you try feeding it in. I tried the other wheel and I didn't realize that. I'm sitting here pushing on this thing, nothing coming out. So if you run into that issue, make sure your tip's clean. So what makes this the cheap fix, is sticking this on, is here's the key. There's a gauge on here. You only need like about an ounce. You don't need a whole lot. All you're looking to do is just cover the end of it, cover the inside of this. Notice also something different. Usually you put the valve stem down. I have the valve stem up. I want to try to get it around the stem. So I might let it sit for a second, then rotate it 180. So hopefully it gets the goop all around it. That's what I did for the back wheel, and it still holds air, so I'm not going to complain about it. Well, that's kind of neat. It's blowing bubbles. Stick our stem in. What I'm going to do after is take it for a little bit of a drive. Oops, won't go very far until I put air in it. But you know the rest of it, putting air in, take it for a bit of a drive. That's all I really need to tell you about in this video. And I hope you got something out of it and hope it helps somebody with aluminum rims with issues. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.